Hi, a business administrator daily routine. Every day, Diego wakes up at 6:30 a.m. He gets ready, eats breakfast, and goes to work at 8 a.m. He works in an office. In the morning, he checks emails, answers phone calls, and attends meetings. He talks with customers and helps solve problems. He also works on report and organizes company documents. At 1 p.m., he has lunch with his coworkers. In the afternoon, he checks the company finance and works on new business plans. He also talks with the team to give instruction and support. He finishes work at 5 p.m. After work, he goes home, has dinner, and spends time with his family. Before going to bed, he sometimes reads or watches TV. He goes to bed at 10:30 p.m. Thanks.